Hey guys, today we are in Audi S6 with automatic transmission, and I'm going to show you how to put this transmission into neutral if for some reason you cannot unlock it with your key. Maybe the power is off, maybe there's something wrong with your electronics. So whatever reason you have, you can put it into neutral without the ignition on, and it's very simple to do it. First thing that you need to make sure is that your car will not roll down hills. So use the parking brake or stuck something under the wheel just to make sure that your car will not move when you shift it from park. Next, open this, remove the ashtray if you have one over here. Then you need to locate this small plastic cover that's over here. And with, for example, flat screwdriver, you can pry it like this. And right now, let's just remove it. Right now, you can access the lock mechanism. I will show you what to press to move the shift knob. So if you look directly down over here, you will see some wiring going over there, and there's a small white round thing. It looks a little bit like a screw, but in fact it's a button. You need to press it, and when it's pressed, your gear knob is unlocked. So you need to keep it pressed, and when it's pressed, you can move your shift knob. And that's it. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you liked this simple tutorial, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.